Hello, today I'm in Peugeot 206. In this video I'll show you how to reset service icon. As you can see right now, my car has a service icon displayed. To reset it, firstly turn the ignition off. Now press and hold this button for approximately 10 seconds. And now turn the ignition on. Keep holding. Keep holding for at least 10 seconds, and when the 0 is displayed on the display right there, you can lift this button. Now let's start the car. And the service info has been reset. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.